Hello everyone. Good evening. Hello, I'm Fiona here and welcome to another session of Zentangle patterns. Whoever is joined in, please comment hi so that I know. Hello. So today we are going to be doing more patterns which are over here. I will be showing you these patterns. Komala. Hi Komala. Please get ready with your sheet of paper and a black gel pen. Please drop in a hi. I can see 9 have joined. I think they are all secret admirers. They are not coming up on the screen and showing themselves. Hi. Yes, I can see one more. I'll just wait for a few minutes and then I will start. Everyone can hear me, right? Okay, I'm just waiting to, and then I'll start the session. Hi Vinita. Okay, I'll start now. It's 4 o'clock. So today we are doing some more patterns which are here on this paper. 6 patterns like I usually do. So just briefly I will explain. You have to section your paper in 6 divisions like how I have done here. Okay, if you want measurement, it's 5 centimeters by 5 centimeter, and I have put a box here to write down the names of the patterns. And this is called a tile on which we do the Zentangle, the compiling of the Zentangle pattern. Okay, And this coaster size is this tile size is 3.5 by 3.5. So I take a coaster and do it. This is an empty coaster. There's nothing on it as yet, so just made the outline, and now I will start today's patterns. Okay, so today's first pattern is called finery. My papers in between. Huh. Okay, 1 minute. Somebody called. I just. Yeah. Okay. So it's called finery. So how we do this is basically it's a pattern of leaves. Okay. So we make like these. Okay, very easy. Just make curved lines like this. Now we have to make veins like that we see in the leaves. Okay. Now here is like a triangle shape. And then we make just simple dots over here. Just like to embellish the pattern. Okay. Now here also we continue making the veins. Just hi. Okay, those who are joining in, I am continuing with the patterns. So again today I am doing 6 patterns. Okay, now again we make like these dots here just to embellish. Okay, so this is how finery is done, and then of course we take the pencil and we just have to do little bit of shading just to highlight the pattern. Okay, and I am using my blending tool This is a basic blending tool. I'll just tell you what this is. You get it like this in a packet. This is basically used for pencil shading. Okay, those who professionally do pencil shading, they use a lot of these blending tools. You will get this in any art store. It's very easy to get and they are not expensive. You just have to tell them you want pencil shading blending tools and they'll give you these blending stumps, actually they are called. Okay. I forgot one thing here. This also has an triangle here. Yeah, it continues. Okay, so wherever these veins have ended, over there you make these triangles. Okay, this is how it is. So we are done with this finery. Hi Chetna. Now the next pattern is echoism. And this is a basic black gel pen. It's called Octane by Classmate. Okay, it's a waterproof gel pen. So I like using this pen. So this is my choice. You can buy any Indian gel pen, whichever you prefer. Okay, now how we do echoism is we just have to make like these S designs. So we go slowly. Now this is Zentangle, so we don't do fast. We go slow because Zen means meditation and tangle means we are creating patterns and then we are going to combine the patterns and make an art out of it. So that is called tangling. Okay, just join this. Now after we do this, we just have to make a pattern here, like just continue. Okay, we just follow this, we just follow these lines here. I hope you all are getting what I am doing. So you just have to follow these lines here. It's like a maze. You just have to continue with it. Hi, Elena. Okay, this is how the pattern is. Just join this. Now we will I will just highlight some portions here so that we understand the difference. And I just want to explain something regarding the live videos that are saved. I think few are not following from where we should get the videos. You in the Swadeshi group, you go you go up, and you will see a heading called posts where all the titles are written. It says Zentangle, Fine Arts, Mixed Media, Decoupage, Kids Activities, Kids Art. So you go there and you click on the following heading, and you will get the videos of that particular subject. Okay, so you don't have to hunt in the entire group as to where the videos are. Hi Sonali. Now I'll just blend this. Where is this art used? This art is used to create. Wait, I will show it to you. Just let me finish this. We are going to make patterns here, Sonali. 6 patterns. This is how I do 6 patterns on one paper, and then this square thing is called a tile. Okay, so this is nothing but a coaster size, and on this tile we will be combining the 6 patterns, and that is called Zentangle. This is how it looks. Okay, these are the patterns, and this is how you will combine it, and every art will be your original art. It's not something that you have to copy, but yes, the patterns remain fixed. The patterns is what I'm showing you, and each pattern has a name. And you can also create any art like this. I have shown these before. Okay, this is a Zentangle doodle, and this was like a forest scene that I had made. So these are the patterns I have used, and I just made an owl here. I just sketched it. It's a very basic simple sketch. Okay, so that's how we use the patterns. So it looks like a very abstract or a doodling or a whimsical art. So it will be your own creativity. Now the third one is called flukes. So now flukes is also very simple. Okay, first make lines like this. Just turn the paper, and then you come like this slanting, and you make lines like this. So we get a checkered a pattern. Okay, now in this checkered pattern we have to come on this particular space, and we make a V here. Okay, we make a V here. Now we color this V. Here also. Okay, here it will be only one side, just half will show, and here also. Where else? On top over here we will make it in the middle. Okay, so this much we have done. Now we will again make a V, so that way we will complete it. Okay, like this. Now here it's half, so just make diagonal lines. Okay, now here again we will make a V. So just follow the direction, that's it. Okay, do it very slowly because this is Zentangle, so it's all about relaxation and meditation. There's no hurry. Hi Jigisha Jani. Okay, it's like this. Hello Arpu Pathak. Okay, this is how we do flukes. Now we will highlight it. Okay. You can just randomly highlight just to show the difference. And you don't have to color very dark and just keep rubbing it. It's just loosen the grip of the pencil and just do some shading. Okay. Okay, one box is left. You just do that. Okay, and I'm good. If you don't have these blending tools, it's fine, you can always take a cotton bud, but the grip is always better with these blending tools. See, I'll show you with the cotton bud also. This is okay for trial purposes, and this all starts loosening up actually. So if you want your work to be little more uh, better looking, then no harm in purchasing these blending stumps. This one is left. And you have to use them very lightly, okay? You don't have to rub. You're just blending the color. So our third pattern is done. Now the next pattern is called Be Light. Be Light. Okay, so for Be Light, again we are going to make those boxes which we made here. Same way we are going to make the lines. Okay, like this we will go slanting, and again we will come slanting like this. So diagonal lines we have to make. Okay, now for Be Light, what we have to do is we are going to make a C shape. Okay, over here we have to make it in the corner. You can make it this side or you can make it this side, but it will be on one side. Okay, or you can make it on both sides, one here and one here. You can do that also. Now color it. Okay, and make here. Now again we will make the C shape and we will continue. Okay, to do it slowly, and over here also, this on this box it is left. Okay, I think they basically resemble bees, so probably that's why it's called bee light. And there will be over here also, it will come this side somewhere, so there is no angle here. So anyway, just continue, and here also it will be here. Okay. Huh? Okay, this is how it is. Now we have to highlight it. Okay, and then just blend the pencil. Okay, so bee light is done. Now the next one is called bales. So bales also is the same thing. We have to follow the same method of making the boxes. Okay. So today most of the patterns are like that. Now this is basically a flower shape pattern. So I'll start from here. So we have to make like these. See, we have to join from one end to the other, and we have to make these C shape. Okay. So basically what we are doing is we are making a petal only. Okay, it looks like a leaf. Now same thing we will do here. Okay, so this pattern is done, and we just have to uh, highlight these boxes here. Okay, and then we have to highlight it by coloring it. Okay, so we have to color each box where I did this where I highlighted it with a pen. Okay. To color it like that. Okay, this is how we color it. So and then just blend the color. Okay, now the next one is the similar one like bales only. It's called Chillon. Okay, similar way we have to make the boxes. Hello Chanda. Oh, this, okay. Yeah, this is my Zentangle folder. So I've done the doodling on the cover page. Okay, so first I will show this, then I will show the folder in the end. So Chillon, we have to see in bales we made the entire flower. Here it's just half of it. Half in the sense I will show you what I mean by half. It's just on one side. Okay. the bottom side there is no petal. Yeah, thank you, Chanda. So it's like this. Only on one side we have this. So basically this is just like a variation that you can use, and then just highlight it. Okay, so now patterns are completed. Now I will show you on the tile how we can use this. We'll make an artwork out of this. Okay, now we just have to blend the color. Okay, now okay, now we'll come to this tile over here. Now what we have to do is, I had explained earlier, but those of you who are joining in and who don't know, first on the tile we make 4 dots here. Okay, this is a guideline for making a border. Now a border doesn't have to be necessarily straight, it is just a creative line. Okay, it can be any way you want it. Okay, and we have to make imaginary lines which are called strings. So this just helps to divide the page. Okay, I have made mine like this. Now let's continue with how we are going to compile our patterns in this. So I'm taking my gel pen and just go in any shape that I have created here, and I will start with echoism. Okay, so this is completely your choice, and this is not something that is copied. Patterns remain the same, the names of the patterns remain the same, only how you use your patterns is completely your imagination. That's what Zentangle is all about. Okay, so I have done my echoism. Now in echoism I am just going to, now see, you can make your variation. Like the inside, I don't want to do like this, like a maze. Okay, so I am just making these diamond shape as the lines are that same way I am making these diamond shape. Okay, so you can make these changes, but the basic flow of the pattern should remain the same. So when you say echoism, you should know what you are referring to. Okay, we will do the finishing, whatever coloring in the end. First I will just get the patterns. Now let's do this one, finery. Okay, so I will start from here. I'll make one curve here. So you just follow the guidelines, you follow the strings. If you want to change the string, you can. There's no such rule that you cannot change your string. That is why we make the strings with the pencil. Okay, and if you want to make the pattern first with the pencil and see how it looks, you can do that also. Now I'll make these small triangles inside. They are just embellishments, otherwise the pattern will look totally empty. And this one will just be like this. Okay, and these dots, I have to make the dots here. Now make it like that. It can overlap. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay, so I have made this. Now let's make the other one. Let's make bales. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to show you the difference. So I'm taking a fine liner. Okay, I have these two fine liners. This is 0.8 and 0.2. So I'm taking 0.2 because it's a thinner one. This is Uniball. So what I'm going to do is, see, now you will see the difference of thick and thin. And fine liners, please use them finely, because then you cannot press these nibs, they will get spoiled. They are not like gel pens, rough and tough. Okay, so I'm making bales. Today there are a lot of silent watchers. Why like that? Vinita, you are sleepy. Oh, Looking at these patterns, you are feeling sleepy, I think. This Zen thing is putting you to sleep. Now, no, not you. I'm saying there are a lot of other silent watchers today. Not the ones who have said hi. Besides that, there are a lot of people who are watching, and they like, I don't know what, they're secret admirers, or they just like to be silent. They just like to watch. They will not drop in a hi or anything like that. Okay, I am making B light. Okay, so I am making a little variation in the B light. I am making this opposite. Okay, like two eyes. Okay, let's color this with a darker pen. I'll take the gel pen and color it. Yeah, I have plenty of secret admirers, but why? What secret admirers? This is an art. They are admiring me personally, then that's different. I hope all those who are watching have followed how I have done the patterns today. Yeah. And they all have understood, all those who have joined in today for the first time. I hope you all have understood what I am doing. Okay, so now see, this line will come both sides, because I made this this eyes opposite sides, both. So this will come like this also. Understood? See, one C here, one C here, one here, and one here, and one here, like that. Maithili. Okay, thank you. I hope you all are making use of this, but not just watching it. At least something you all have created. Okay. See. Here also. Okay, now see, this is what I was telling you. This, can you see the difference now, thick and thin? This is how it will look. Now let's first do the shading, then we will see if we want to add something or what we want to do extra. So how to shade? Okay, now all this is up to you where you want to give depth. And please stay tuned this week, that is today, and next week pattern. So we will have 12 patterns today, 6, next week, next Wednesday 6. So after I have 12 patterns, then that other following Wednesday I will be coming up with acrylic color art. Okay, these acrylic colors have been sponsored by Creative Genie. They are those pearl acrylic colors. So I am already ready with what I want to show you with 12 patterns. So please stay tuned. I will show you the colors so you will understand what kind of colors Creative Genie has sponsored. Okay, now here I again want to highlight this. So these today's patterns are very simple, they are very child friendly patterns, and I have to make it here as well. And all those who are using fine liners or who don't have and maybe want to buy, please take care of the fine liners. Please keep it covered at all times and make sure they don't roll on the floor. Hey, hi Sangeeta, you joined now or what? You can type in a comment, Sangeeta. I think there are people who don't know how to use this. You have to click on that screen where you are seeing my live. When you click on it, you will see all comments. And if the comments are disturbing you, you have to swipe. You have to swipe those comments towards your right. Okay, so that screen will become clear and you will be able to see the artwork. And you can type in the comment from there. I'll just highlight this first. Let's give more depth here. thinking of it. Okay, Sangeeta, you can always watch the video and make the patterns. Okay, so just just highlight this very lightly. Whatever pencil has got over here, that only I am rubbing from this. Okay, just rub, see, just taking that only. Just color this. And what else? Let's blend this. So now see, this looks nearer and this looks little further. So that is the difference. Okay, so we are done with these patterns of today, and I always leave one extra tile here. This is for all the viewers to you can make your own art over here. This is for y'all, and I will just show you the colors. I had shown them before, but those of you who have not seen. Okay, these are the acrylic colors by Creative Genie. Okay, they have been sponsored by Creative Genie through Vinita, and these are the 5 colors they sent. These are the pearl colors. Okay, and I have already made an artwork with these colors, which I will be showing you after not next week but the week after that. Okay, so y'all please stay tuned to see the next class also, and keep creating, and I will go through what we had done previously. Previously last week I had done this. After I finished 12 patterns, I showed this forest scene. This is a cardstock paper by Craft Angles. They had sponsored this through Vinita. Vinita sent this, and this is something I made out of the stencil that Vinita sent. This stencil is also Craft Angles. This is how the stencil is, so I just drew it here. And I had shown this watercolor. These watercolors, actually I have not sitting with the watercolors. They were sponsored by Craft Angles. So that's what, as I keep finishing 12 patterns, I will keep coming up with an artwork. So that is going to make the whole thing more exciting. And yeah, I had made this thank you card for Vinita and for Swadeshi and for all the viewers for liking my work. And yeah, that's it. And what I'm going to show with the acrylic colors, I am not showing now. I will keep it a surprise. And the previous patterns which we have done, yeah, these are the previous patterns. Okay. Yeah, it's like this. Okay, these are the patterns. Now I'm not naming I'm just flipping the pages just for those who have missed. So this is all there in the video. You'll have to go into the previous videos. And I'll just repeat once again, in the Swadeshi group there is a post on top where all the topics are given. Zentangle, then there's fine arts, there's Madhubani, there's Kalamkari, there's kids art, then there is mixed media, decoupage. So these are the various topics. So you go under, you just click that topic and you will see the videos which are saved in that particular topic. So you don't have to search anywhere into Swadeshi, and it will be very confusing and you will not be able to find those respective videos. So they are all under those particular heading. Okay, so I hope that is clear. If you want to ask anything about that, please do. So this is what I have completed till now. Okay, yeah, and today's pattern. Okay, and yeah, this folder somebody was asking. Yeah, this is my Zentangle folder, and I had made this about 2 years ago. These are all the patterns, the Zentangle patterns that I am showing you, and I made this doodling. This is the front part and this is the back side. Okay, so I shall end today's class. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you so much.